Okay, at this point what we've done is we've put the compound up on the wall. We're waiting for it to dry. Once it dries, we will put a membrane, the membrane across, add another coat, smooth it out, and then another coat after that. You want to hold this? So. I could put this up there. Okay. Oh, I'm getting tired. You want to make sure the membrane is centered 2 inches in the middle. This is self-adhesive. I need my spatula right there. Okay. Okay, you could most likely stop there. I said you could turn that off now. I've already. Okay, so we've done the spaculing. We're gonna let that dry, and once it dries, we're gonna add 2 more coats over that, and then once they dry, we will put a primer over it so that when we paint, the spackle won't absorb up the paint and have a different color. The colors will be even. That's for today. Have a great day.